Come on, do the Spider-Man thing. Spider-Man it. Come on, Ron. Spider-Man. And bingo. Get him! Get him! The side of his face like it hit the ground. Aww. Yeah. Now, why am I filming this? I don't. Except for like rubbing the side of his face. Yeah. That would really hurt. I would think it would be like razor burn times 50. Go, Todd, go! Go! Mama bear. Go, Blue! Navy. Go, Navy! Navy! They have some major vocal cords going on over there. Yeah. Well, they're young. They're still high school. We are talking and we are saying things like, "I'm wearing tight underwear." And I don't like the guy with the moves. You have to. I don't want to put my hands on Mr. Movie. Yeah. Don't make me do it. You have to guard move. Put some sort of flag or something. What's going on? Oh yeah. It's there. Yeah. They're fun. Oh, they're cute. Probably. Please let's not pick ourselves in public, men, alright? Ladies are something present anyway. Hey, you knocked your coach down, guys. Bless you. Coming back. All right.
Man, I'm glad we're down here and they're
not that far away.
I got a headache.
I had to sat with them before.
What did you say about a salad?
I sat with them.
Oh.
I sat with them before. I was hungry for a salad today. Go get a salad somewhere. Yeah.
Me too. I had a salad too. What kind of dressing? Caesar.
Have you ever had one of the Have you ever had one of the steak or grilled chicken salads at the bowling alley? They have this hot bacon dressing. Oh my God.
I can't say I've ever actually been to the bowling alley.
I'm telling you, their restaurant is pretty nice, and they.
Well, Ron said the next time we go out, we're gonna go to the bowling alley and just like drink a lot. I don't know what that means.
I don't think it's near as expensive as a lot of ours.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, the grilled or steak with the hot bacon dressing.
I'm all for any food. Whoa. You suck a lot. Yeah. You suck. Oh, come on. What are you faking it? Let's go here.
We're good. You okay?
Good sport. No, I'm completely heckling these people. I don't care.
It's alright. Happens to everybody.
Yeah.
It's alright, it doesn't happen to everybody.
Spider-Man it, Ron. Let's go. Do it.
he goes.
They're talking about your Ronnie. Get him.
Yeah, I don't
get this guy.
I don't call him that. That seems kind of strange, like he's 3.
Yeah.
Whoa!
And from the time I met him, he's been Ronnie because it was all sports. I met him at mush ball, practice for the tournament.
I'm going to start doing that. Just be like, oh, hey,
and
Ronnie,
softball,
what's up?
year
He does.
The first year that I was with Barry, played softball on Sundays and mush ball. It's like, holy.
He'd probably vomit all over me if I start calling him that. Like, what's wrong with you?
So what do you call him? Just Ron?
Yeah,
Darling.
Ronald. He gets Ronald a lot from me because it's a hilarious name. That's right. I'm filming you in the stands. Look at you all in the stands. Oh, he's not. He ducked. What's he doing down there?
Or something.
Well, let's hope it's just that.
There he is.
Navy!
That was a nice pass.
I should get the score of this. Super. And we're talking, and adjusting ourselves. Oh.
Get it!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, on the ground. On the ground. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing.
What was embarrassing? Wi-Fi. There he is.
There we
What
go.
was embarrassing was one time I saw a guy get his whole pants yanked out right in front of me.
Good time.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Annoying team? Awesome team. Annoying team? Awesome.
team.
A
Go
little bit too much
blue.
non-sleeve action. Perfect amount of sleeve. That'd be awesome. God! Somebody Good Lord. And we're talking, and we're adjusting, and there's bandana action right there.
Yeah, get it on film so we can prove it.
Bandana.
Number 35.
35, we got you. Got your number.
I got you.
No, my number is 8675309. That's right.
8675309.
Oh, there's a flag of some sort.
Well, he got it.
Wait, I have to.
He got his flag off.
Fan out here. It's really stupid filming a video on a camera. Oh, we've got the Spider-Man back.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Do 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 do. Ooh, the sumo wrestler's back. There he is, right there.
Sumo Man.
This is way too much fun to watch.
Oh, especially on a night they're winning.
Yeah. Yeah, if they were losers, this would not be nearly as fun. But the other team is half retarded, so. That guy has a ball. Now he's throwing it to the. Oh, it's completely useless! You're useless! Get a day job! I'm going to get on that. Let's see. Oh, there he is.
Wearing his dad's favorite number.
Aw, isn't it nice? Alright. Useless! Useless, useless. Let's see if I can get the child molester. I'm gonna have children. This is gonna be an awesome movie. I'm gonna put this in the theater. Ron's gonna kick my ass.
What do you do?
The one that went in the box? I think he bonked his head.
No, it was unenforcement of conduct on blue.
On blue? That makes no sense. No. I'm pretty sure that makes 0 sense. You make no sense. Alright.
So what did we do?
Hey, there will be no pushing! And what? And what?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And what? Oh, that was gorgeous.
That might be what it was. Josh kind of pushed the referee away when he fell.
Oh, because he did that hop thing. He just wanted to do his hop thing.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
He said, leave me alone.
What about grilled cheese sandwiches?
Objected Bear a couple of years ago, before I was in the picture. He made Bear leave the game. Because he was quite, were you here for that? No, he told me. Yeah, he just kind of kept going at him about a play that was wrong. And explain it to me, and the rest said, you're out of here. Well, you said one more word, you're out of here, you damn word.
Changes on camera. Whoa! Back in the game.
Meanwhile, back at the ranch.
I'm pretty sure the sumo wrestler couldn't find a t-shirt that fit him, because seriously, that is not the same color green.
At some point, can you get an actual good picture of Bear and send it to my computer? Is that something you can do? Not while you're running video, but...
I tried to get the picture. I've got to, maybe if I can just poke it through here. Let me see if it works that way. Okay, movie done. The end.
Okay.
The end.
She just said they're getting a new camera next week so that
Yeah.
she could do it if you can't get it.